What's up, Facebook? It's Dr. Richie from Limitless Chiropractic back to you again today. We're going to keep bringing you patient conversations that we hear, or prospective patient conversations that we hear, to bring awareness and to bring more information and education about chiropractic to our local Northwest Arkansas community. So today's comment had to do with how people keep going back to the chiropractor and why, the comment was, everything is awesome about the chiropractor, but it kind of kills it when they want you to keep coming back week after week without pain. And we have to look at it separately. And having the conversation with this person went really simply like this. I said, do you exercise and go to the gym? And this person said yes. And I said, why do you exercise and go to the gym? And the answer was, I like to be fit. I said, are you unfit? And the person said, no. I said, so why do you keep going back to the gym? Because I want to stay fit and I want to stay healthy. I said, awesome. Okay. So how's your diet? Do you eat healthy? Yes, I eat healthy. Okay. Well, why do you keep eating healthy if you feel healthy? Because it's good for me. So let's take that back to chiropractic. Why do you have to keep going back week after week? You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. However, this person was already doing things that they felt were a value to this person's health. Why not train the system that controls all the other systems in our body the way we train our cardiovascular system and the way we eat? Why is it so out there to work on our health on a day-to-day basis, right? Health isn't a destination. You don't get to health and then stop. Health is a journey, and there are things you have to do along the way to make sure that you're on the right track of that journey, or else you fall into the desperation and despair of sickness and disease. You get to go one way or another. There's no real middle ground. You're either going towards health and wellness on this journey towards health, or you're withering in sickness and disease. And so I really hope you don't choose the sickness and disease path. So why go weekly and why keep going when you feel fine? Because health is not a destination. You do things for yourself over and over and over again, not only for how you feel right now, but for the longevity of how you function 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years down the road. Do you want to be that decrepit human that can't move and can't enjoy life because of discomforts or illnesses or doctor's appointments? Or do you want to take care of yourself now, little bit at a time, adding things throughout your life, so that way you are that 90-year-old out there playing pickleball, or you are 85 and hiking, or you're traveling the world with your grandkids and great grandkids? Or do you want to be stuck in a nursing home? And that's really what we're looking at: sickness and disease, or health and wellness. So the longevity of your body doesn't stop by you doing things that are good for itself. It stops by you treating your body like a dumpster fire. Please don't do that. Dumpster fires aren't fun. Okay, nobody wants to be treated like a dumpster fire, nor should our body be treated like one. So long story short, back to our conversation with this prospective patient. It doesn't kill it. That's the best part of chiropractic, is taking steps for your longevity, because health is not a goal, it's not a destination, it's a journey. The more things you do. So this person added chiropractic along with how they exercise and how they ate. They are setting themselves up to prosper in the circles of longevity and vitality and excitement for not only days to come, but decades to come. So, hey, if you are one of those people that thought that going to the chiropractor every week was a waste of time, I'd love to have a conversation with you, because it is a really fun investment of your time to get work out later. If you're somebody who already knew what I was saying and agree with what I was saying, there's not a belief to it, it's just a fact that the body functions better when all the systems are aligned better. So if you understand that truth and that fact, we'd love to have a conversation with you if you're not coming to our office. And if you are, we love you. We can't wait to see you. So hey, share this with people, because we're going to be putting it on all of our socials. Share it with people. because I don't see many other places getting information out to you like we're getting out here. The more informed we are as a society, the better we are in the long run. Let's have a society that is healthy, vibrant, and let's have longevity to that. Let's not have it be healthy and vibrant until we're 65 and then crumble on Medicare. That's not cool. Let's be active, let's be healthy, let's be happy, let's be joyful, and let's enjoy life. Share this video, like and comment, follow our page, and if you're not a patient, we'd love to do a complimentary consult with you to see if we're going to be a good fit. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.